Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use LinkedIn Premium Career. So to use LinkedIn Premium Career, you can start by boosting the job applications. Use top applicant jobs to find roles where your skills match well. Mark jobs as top choice to signal interest directly to recruiters. Send up to 5 email messages monthly to hiring managers or professionals outside your network. You can also use AI-assisted drafting to improve response rates. Now, see exactly who has viewed your profile in the last 90 days to identify networking opportunities. You can also use AI to improve your profile and resume and activate the open profile option so recruiters can message you directly without a connection request. You can also utilize free on-demand courses to build new skills, which are included in the subscription. Research salaries for your target roles to be prepared for negotiations. You can also join an exclusive group to post questions and get career advice. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.